Hi guys, today we are learning how to check recently sold items on eBay. First, unlock your phone and open the eBay app. Once the app launches, you'll be on the main home screen where you can search for any product. Make sure you're signed in if required. Now tap the search bar and type the name of the item you want to check. Once the item appears in the search results, tap on it to view all available listings. This will take you to the product results page. After the search results load, tap the filter option near the top left corner. This will open different filtering options to help you narrow down the results. Scroll down to find more settings. Next, scroll down and tap Show More to expand the list of available filters. More filtering options will now appear on your screen. Continue scrolling until you find the Sold Items option. Finally, enable the Sold Items option. eBay will refresh the search results and display items that have recently been sold. This is a great way to check recent selling prices and understand the current market value of an item. And that's how you can easily check recently sold items on eBay. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below for more easy, step-by-step tutorials.